We were making the meatballs. Now you take the minced meat, the way it is, okay, raw minced meat. You dice the onions into cubes. After that, you put them in a bowl, mix the minced meat with the onions. Okay, the diced onions. After you've mixed it like a dough, you add the breadcrumbs. Okay, you continue mixing until it is okay, until it becomes soft and flexible. After that, you add some, what did I say you add? The eggs. You add the eggs. Then you continue mixing until it is a fine dough. After that, you can add the salt and the spices. Then you continue mixing until it becomes fine. After that, you start making the balls. You start making the balls. And that's why we call it meatballs. Okay, so you make round, nice balls. Okay? After making the round, nice balls, like these ones. Are you seeing? Right? These ones. Nice round balls. Are you seeing the way we've made nice round balls? Yes, like those ones. Now, after you've made the round, nice balls, you take the frying pan, like this one, you pour some oil inside, then you now start deep frying the meatballs. Okay? After you've deep fried, you now fry the onions, you add the tomatoes. You can easily blend the tomatoes or you can use the tomato paste. Okay? After that, after you've made a very thick, nice soup, you add the fried meatballs. Then you let it simmer for like 10 minutes, then it is ready to go. You can serve it with pasta, the way we are cooking the pasta. After that, you eat it. Okay? And you can accompany it with a very nice blended mango juice. Cold one, so that you can feel full. Okay? Now, who has any question? Yes, Nina? Yes, they have to be round because we are forming the balls. Balls are always round. Yes? Any other shape like? Yeah, you can use any other shape, but because you want it to be round and nice, that's why we normally use the balls. Okay? Balls are easier to make than the squares. You can use any other shape, but balls are easier to make. Yes? Yes, so that we want it to stick together. Okay, it's like the dough. We normally use the dough, we mix it with some warm water to make the chapatis. Now these ones we use the breadcrumbs so that they can stick together, so that the meat can stick together. Yes? Yes, you can eat with anything else that you like. For example, today we want to eat it with the pasta. Yeah. You can eat it with the rice, mashed potatoes, all those. Okay? Yes? Onion. Yes, because we want it to have that onion taste. Okay? The tangy onion taste. How many have ever tasted the crisps that have got chili and onion taste? Yeah, so we want it to have that onion flavor. Okay? Any other question? 2 more questions? Eggs. Yes. Because we want it to stick together. It's okay. Yes, Cecilia, the last question? Because we want to make a thick, nice paste so that we can cook the stew. Okay. Now, we want to fry the meatballs. Help me with the oil. Now, we are going to put the pan into the cooker. Then, we add the oil. We add the soil. We add the oil. This oil is sealed, so we have to unseal it. You can some tips. Yes.
How much oil are you using?
Huh?
How much oil are you using?
Just enough oil. Okay. So we are putting the oil into the pan. Don't knock the table. Just move a little bit. Move a little bit. Don't move next to the oil. Now, when you are frying the meatballs, make sure you be with an elder person, okay, to help you. Don't do it alone. Don't do it alone. Okay. And when you are doing it, don't go next to the hot oil. Okay. So we are going to leave the oil to be hot. Then we start deep frying. Okay. We'll start with this tiny one. Now this will be for the tiny baby. Who is a baby here? John. Okay. So this one is for John.
And Nyawera?
Where's Nyawera? Yes, the babies. Wait, move, Cecilia. Let's go next to the oil.
Who will test it, teacher?
Huh?
Who will test it?
Now, who will test it?
Cecilia, move. Chop the one who got it. Chop the one who got the apples first. But don't want one that just had a start.
So you should do that. Now, don't go next to the camera. Okay. Don't lean on the table. Now, we are going to start by deep frying, okay? We are going to start by deep frying. Make sure when you are deep frying, you let them to be golden brown, to be so that they will be well cooked. We don't want to eat raw meatballs, okay? You roll them gently so that it doesn't splash. Divide this into two, then you shape it into balls. It's too big. You roll them gently into the pan. We are going to put the salt when we are now making the paste.
Teacher, you're worried about salt.
Because we had added the spices and the spices have salt in them. So if we had more salt, it will be excess.
So there's no need.
Yeah, so we only put the spices, then we add the salt when we are now making the paste. Oh, thank you.
Wait. Don't paste. Make sure you wait until they turn golden brown. And don't keep on stirring, okay? Sawa, because they will break. So you just do it gently. Now, any question up to them? Yes? Like around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay. Not that much until they turn golden brown. Okay. Yes.
not that needle. We are just frying them. Okay, yes? Yes. Now the best way to make the tomato paste is by blending them, okay? But now because we want to do a certain shortcut, we are now just going to fry the onions, then we add the tomatoes, we fry all of them together, then we put the meatballs. Okay, but it's nice to blend the tomatoes.
Can you also buy tomatoes?
Yes. If you don't want to use the tomatoes, you can use the tomato paste. Yeah? Is it a must? Yes, for it to look appealing to the eye.
When they're eaten, they just crunch.
Yes. We want well-cooked meatballs. Yes. They will just stand down. You'll see them. Yes.
Why that's so hot?
That's good at it because it has the heat.
And I'm sweating.
You're sweating.
But my ears are covered. My head is sweating.
Now they are almost cooked, okay? After deep fry,